Good day, class. It's phonics time again. But before we start, I want you to get your whiteboard and a marker. Now, let's review first our lesson from last week. I want you to complete the name of the objects by using the sets of letters here on the right. Okay, are you ready? I'll give you a minute to do that. Here are the answers. Let's read them. We have star, dust, breakfast, and storm. Now, reward yourself 3 stars if you got all correct. Now, let's read the following words. We have bend, land, and find. Can you find any similarities among these words? You are correct. They all have the nd sound. And this is what we are going to learn today. Our learning objective is to recognize and say the consonant cluster nd. Moving on, what consonant cluster is this again? Yes, it's the nd. How many letters are they? Great job. There are 2, 1 and 2. And what are these letters? We have N and the D. And if we put them together, it creates nd sound. Now, let's read the words with nd sound. We have bend. We have hand. We have friends. And the last one, we have pond. Now this time, I want you to circle the nd sound in each word. Now, let's do it. Now, can you think of any words with the nd sound? Get your board and marker and write all of those. I also have some words here with nd sound. Now, let's read them. We have find, kind, sand, pond, wind, mend, bend, land, hand, fond, and fund. This time, I want you to use these words in writing your own sentences. If you wrote 1 sentence, reward yourself 1 clap. If you wrote 2 sentences, reward yourself 2 claps. And if you wrote 3 or more sentences, reward yourself with 3 claps. Let's move on to the phonics stories introducing the nd sound. Let's read them. Rand had a band. Rand is in a music band. They play all around the land. Their music is very grand. If you hear them, you will understand. Now, find all the words with consonant cluster nd. I'll give you 20 seconds to do that. Okay, let's go to the first line. Yes, there are 2 there. We have rand and band. The next line, around and land. Next, grand. Very good. Next, great job. It's understand. Let's also answer some comprehension questions about the story. First question, who is in a music band? Great job. It's rand. What words describe their band? Can I see? Great job. It's very grand. And how do we know that their music is very grand? Great job. If you hear them. Yes, if you hear them. Now, I will leave the next story for you. Along with this sound we are learning, we also have here the following tricky words. These tricky words are in phase 5, tricky words. Let's read them. We have school, could, called, and people. I want you now to use these tricky words and the words with "nd" in your sentences. Activity time, and for your activity, I want you to go to seesaw.com and do this activity entitled "nd Making Words" by Mrs. Weidel. Bye kids! I hope that you enjoyed our lesson in phonics today.